Good evening. I'm Dr. Meenakshi Saraf. I'm from Sundarma Hospital in Khargone in Madhya Pradesh. That's near Indore. I have come here for the hybrid 5 days on-site training for colposcopy. Now, I had already done Madam's online course way back in COVID times, but then I actually realized the difficulties in practically doing colposcopies. So I decided to come here. It was long due, but then it was actually a fruitful session for 5 days. Not one moment which I felt was wasted. The practical knowledge which was given by Madam was so, मतलब actually वो जिसको बोलते हैं ना hand holding कर कर सिखाना. Simple nuances like how to move your hands, where the shoulder has to move, where the hand has to move, how do you adjust a colposcope, how do you train your staff. These are the things that you actually need to learn from Madam. And the most important part that I learned was how to counsel the patient. Because कर तो सब लोगे पर जब तक उनको नहीं समझाओगे they won't agree for any further procedures. So counseling कैसे करना है, how to keep a rapport with the staff, how to follow them up. All practical details were taught by Madam. And another thing I loved about this was the fantastic and the supportive staff which is there at this institution, always there to help you. Any problems, always there to clear you. So I would highly recommend anyone who is doing colposcopy to come here and have a hands-on key. What is the science that we are actually forgetting and that we should start doing it again. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Satyashri from Hyderabad, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. So I have been practicing from the past 13 years in the area of LB Nagar. So I've been working in Geeta Hospital, Chaitanya Puri, and also a consultant in Ankura Hospitals for mother and child care in LB Nagar. So in my past 13 years of practice, I have been practicing full-fledged obstetrics, high-risk obstetrics, regular gynecological services, adolescent problems and all. But coming to preventive oncology, I've been trying to join Madam's course from the past 1.5 years, where I have heard about her work from my seniors. And then when I heard her work, it is a totally different level. When I came here and listened to her first lecture on preventive oncology, like how easily we can diagnose a case of CIN or precancerous lesions and how we can treat them immediately then and there so that a woman cannot go to a invasive cancer stage. And how many cases we are missing without diagnosing, how to make HPV as the primary test of detection. How can all these simple tests can act as a primary tool for us to detect a major precancerous lesion and save a woman from seeing a cancerous life. So this is a great lesson for me in my career, and I hope I take this knowledge along with me to the place I practice and impart this knowledge in my day-to-day practice. And Priya ma'am is really very down to earth. She holds your hand and teaches you how to hold, how to make patient comfortable. She says it as vocal anesthesia. How to do the things in a very simple manner so that you can read the diagnosis very easily, and you can read what you see and come to a conclusion very easily. How not to complicate the things. So things have been very easy for me here. In these 5 days, I have learned a lot. Thank you, Dr. Priya ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to train under you, and thank you, Sainivas Hospital, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Ramaraju, Associate Professor of Department of OBG, Ballari Medical College and Research Center, Ballari. So I have come for a colposcopy hybrid training session at Priya Madam's Sai Nivas Health Center. It's a wonderful program to have gone through over the last fortnight or so. We had 10 days of online and 5 days of on-site course, which was an excellent program to be attended. And we had a lot of hands-on training cases quite good number of cases to be training, and we had a wonderful time over here with better hospitality from the entire Sai Nivas Health Center faculty. So I congratulate Madam for this wonderful program, and I really appreciate Madam's dedication towards teaching this science to get rid of our Indian women of cancer cervix.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vaishnavi. I come from Hyderabad. So I have been here for the 5-day hands-on hybrid workshop, I should say, hybrid fellowship. And first off, to say it was like a family to me. I was very apprehensive. My family was very apprehensive that I'm traveling at 22 plus weeks of pregnancy. So that was a great thing personally. Coming to professionally, skills-wise, there is so much to learn and so much we are not aware of. And I'm so very thankful and like happy to say that I have been here. I have learned so much, adding so many feathers to my cap, and I'm going back. And I'm much more confident in dealing with cases now.
I'm Dr. Devendra Sahu from Chhattisgarh, Raipur. I'm posted at CHC Bagbahara. There I'm practicing obstetric and gynecologist. I'm here in Sai Nivas Healthcare for colposcopy and cervical lesions treatment. I think it's a very good institute. Priya madam is such a nice person. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके, और मैं काफ़ी दूर पेरिफेरी में एज अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट वर्क करता हूँ, और काफ़ी 3 to 4 days की जो हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग है, काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला। एंड मैं थैंक्स करूँगा पूरे स्टाफ को, साई निवास हेल्थ केयर पूरी टीम को। दे आर वेरी मच सपोर्टिंग, केयरिंग। थैंक यू।